Hello, time for an update on the Bristol M1C. As you can see, it's lying on its back, having the underside sorted out. I've added a few things I'll show you as I go. This is the tub I keep my, it's all Ferrero Rocher tub. Keep my parts in while I'm building this particular kit. I'm going to put the kit for now on this napkin from a well-known burger store and show you a few things in here first. We've got the Parallel Boss, which if you can see clearly there, but the focus is on this. I've got the hub painted as well. Alright, now these, I thought they were bullet deflectors, but they're actually the rest of the external part of the boss propeller spinner thingy. Yeah, so that's not what I thought it was. I've painted it grey, then I painted it with some gloss paint. I'll go on last probably. Got other parts in this little bag here. I'll be using the screen because it's not on this example. I've got the other parts taken off. The bit on the top and the tail had come off again, so I can put it on his back. I'll repaint those wheels. But what I wanted to show you, because you're going to have the underside, focus, the bracing, double bracing, from a hole I had to put in there to there, another hole I had to put from there to there. Before, as a side issue, I put the decals on first. They're very thin decals, so I'll be very careful, but although they're very thin and delicate, they do lie very flat and flush, so you can see there, you can barely see the decals at all, really. So I put those on first because part of the decal goes over the point where the bracing wire goes into the wing. And the two parts, I had to try and put the red dot in as central as possible. Okay, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the bracing wire. Now they're doubled, but so I had to think of an idea of how to put those on. So what I've done, I'll place that on here for now. I've got a bit of Easy Line, which is what the brand name of the stuff I'm using instead of cotton. Bracing wire substitute for models. Looks like a deed or a note, musical note. But instead, so it's doubled like that. I had to keep the end, instead of trying to put two ends together at the anchor point, I've pre-glued the one end. It's going to come back in focus. It's all there we are. I pre-glued the end there. So when that's, I'll glue out to the anchor point first of all. There. You see what I mean? Glue it there. It's always focus on what's behind, isn't it? This camera. Oops! And now I've dropped the kit, and it's probably all smashed to bits. Flipping heck. As we say in Wales. Well, miraculously it hasn't. I don't touch anything in case it is weakened, but it's only one piece. Right. Anyway, point being, trying to explain, that'll anchor to the one side, and then once that's anchored in place, I'll cut the other side, cut the end, and thread it into the hole I've made there. So it's going to be as near as can be a double bracing wire. So that's for the underside anyway. And I've already tried to put the front undercarriage cross bracing. I've just put a bit of white glue in the corners, let that set, stretched the wire, put another bit of white glue, and hope for that to set with a little bit of tension in it. they're quite loose really. But there we are. But I had to make the engine stay fixed because of how much space I didn't have. I should have put it in when I put the fuselage together. You got the gun on the top there, look. And there you can see, got any light in there, should have a little torch to show you, but all that effort to do with the details, you can't even see inside really. No, I can't really see inside. But there's going to be, I don't know what the right word is, but supporting points. Make a frame above the pilot seat there. And then the wires will go down to the other wires there. Tail on the back. Anyway, so that's how far I've got, more or less. Hope you didn't mind spending 5 minutes of your life looking at that. And another update when I've done some more. Ta-da!